Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum kids. Today I have essay on how I spend Eid UL Adha. Every year I look forward to Eid UL Adha with great excitement. The celebration usually being with the special Eid prayer, which is offered in congregation at the mosque or an open ground. I wake up early, take a shower, wear new or clean clothes, and go with my family to offer Eid prayer. After the prayer, we greet each other with warm wishes like Eid Mubarak. The most important part of Eid ul Adha is sacrifice of an animal. My family usually sacrifice a goat or cow in the name of Allah. My day is filled with joy, family gatherings, and delicious food. My mother prepares tasty dishes like biryani, kebabs, and sweet dishes. Eid ul Adha also reminds us of the importance of sacrifice, obedience, and gratitude is not just about sacrificing animals, but about giving up selfishness, pride, and anything that keeps us away from the path of righteousness. I love spending this day with my family, helping others, and remembering with true meaning of sacrifice. So I hope so it will be helpful for you. So we will meet again in next video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.